Hello guys, welcome back. So I just want to show you how I withdraw my profit, right? So this is 23rd of October. So I'm going to be withdrawing some percentage of my account size, right? So I said in best trading, um best trading guarantees you between 1 to 10% of your balance, right? For those who are not comfortable, who thinks 1 to 10% is so small, this channel is not for you. This content that I'm posting or this information that I'm passing here is not for you. For those who are serious to make between 1 to 10%, this is where you should be. So this is around 7% of my account size. As you can see, 134.66. So I just placed a withdrawal. I sent a mail. So I'm waiting for the mail from derive.com. So I'm going to be receiving the mail any moment from now, right? So let's wait. All right. So I've gotten the mail, as you can see. So I'm going to click the mail and verify. This is um to verify that I'm actually the one make requesting this withdrawal. Right. So I'll click yes, it is me. Okay. So yes, it is me. So now the next page they will redirect me to um they will direct me back to the reef where I will need to put in my wallet address and then my the amount I want to withdraw, right? So that is the next page. So I'm going to be withdrawing through the Bybit, right? I like using Bybit because of the P2P, right? So like, once I withdraw from the reef, I get to sell my USDT directly through P2P. So I'm gonna wait for it. Now I teach patients as traders, right? So every day you want to practice patience. You don't just suddenly become patient or a patient trader without you practicing it, right? So what you're seeing here, why I'm actually waiting for this, I'm actually cultivating the ability of patient, of being a patient trader, right? So the same way, right? Every day presents you an opportunity for you to practice patient. So if you know that you want to be full time into this, you cannot do without patience. You can never do without patience. So you have to be patient as trader to wait, right? They say slow is fast, right? It's very important. All right, so we are back. So this is the Wave platform. So I'm going to be putting my wallet address. I've copied my wallet address already, right? So okay, let me, it's not on my clipboard. Let me go copy the wallet address on the Bybit, right? Okay, I thought I've copied it already. So this is the Bybit app. So I'll go to the assets section. I'll click USDT. I'll be withdrawing through the Tron TLC20, as you can see. So I'll copy the wallet address here in the yellow button, say copy address. So I'll click copy it. I'll head back to the derive.com, right? So I'll quickly put my wallet address. You have to be very careful not to make mistake. If not, you're going to lose your phone. So I click on all, right? So if you want to withdraw percentage, you can withdraw certain percentage of what of your account. But I want to withdraw all. So I click on withdraw, right? $134.66, right? It is enough for an average person here in Nigeria, right? I know I'm also speaking, I have so many people listening to me from every other country, but with if you can do if you can do 1 to 10 percentage of your account size, won't it be enough for you to take care of one or the other, right? Every month to take care of your grocery, right? Your food, your maybe your clothing or something, right? But I want you to know that the aim is to make profit and not to lose it. So what is the essence of leverage trading? What is the essence of over trading? What is the essence of directional trading when you know that you are not going to make profit? So stop predicting the market. Best trading the modern way, is the modern approach of trading. So they've sent me a mail. I've withdrawn. As you can see, they just sent me a mail that your USDT has been successfully um, is on the way, right? So I've placed a withdrawal, and as you can see, right? So as I was saying, best trading is the best and the safest way of trading now, right? It's the safest way of trading right now. So if you want to learn how to do this and withdraw the same way I am withdrawing here right now, and you can take care of yourself. How much is the salary currently in Nigeria, in our country, Nigeria? How much is it? So if you can do this on every month without leveraging your account, you can actually make a living trading with best trading. So if you want to learn how to do this, reach out to me. And it is not free, please. Only interested person. Bye.